Here's a recipe for a healthy breakfast smoothie that's both delicious and nutritious. Ingredients. 1. 1 ripe banana. 2. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla. 3. 1/2 cup fresh or frozen berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or mixed berries. 4. 1/2 cup spinach leaves, fresh or frozen. 5. 1/2 cup almond milk, or your preferred milk. 6. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional, for sweetness. 7. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional, for added nutrition. 8. Ice cubes, optional, for a colder smoothie. Instructions. 1. Prepare your ingredients. 1. Start by gathering all the ingredients you'll need. 2. Combine ingredients. 1. In a blender, add the ripe banana, Greek yogurt, fresh or frozen berries, spinach leaves, almond milk, and, if desired, the honey or maple syrup for sweetness. 3. Add chia seeds, optional. 1. If you'd like to include chia seeds for added nutrition, add them to the blender as well. 4. Blend until smooth. 1. Blend all the ingredients until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. 1. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, you can add more Greek yogurt or use less almond milk. 5. Taste and adjust. 1. Taste the smoothie and adjust the sweetness to your preference by adding more honey or maple syrup if needed. 6. Add ice, optional. 1. If you want your smoothie to be colder and more refreshing, you can add a handful of ice cubes to the blender and blend until the ice is fully incorporated. 7. Serve. 1. Pour the healthy breakfast smoothie into a glass and garnish with additional fresh berries or a slice of banana if you like. 8. Enjoy. 1. Sip and enjoy your delicious and nutritious breakfast smoothie. This healthy breakfast smoothie is a great way to kickstart your day with a boost of vitamins, fiber, and protein. It's also versatile, so you can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste and dietary preferences.